Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating a Snapchat group chat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On the home screen of Snapchat, tap on the chat icon from the bottom left to get to the chat screen. Then tap the New Chat button from the bottom right corner. On the new chat screen, tap New Group, below where it says To. You can name the group by tapping where it says New Group at the top. You can add up to 100 friends to each group. To add people to your group, simply tap on their names. You will know who you have added by the little blue tick after their name. When you have added everyone you would like, tap Chat with Group. If you forgot to name your group, you can do so by tapping Name Group at the top. Type your desired name and then tap Done in the bottom right. You can now send chats in your new group chat. To edit the group chat, tap on the user's icon in the top left corner of the chat. You can add new group members by tapping Add Members, and then scrolling down or searching for their names. For more editing options, tap on the 3 vertical dots button from the top right corner. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.